Hi, my name is Bill, and in this 3.5-minute video we're going to be flying the new DJI Mini 3 Pro around Lamson Reservoir and even demonstrate the Asteroid Mastershot. Took off from a platform that they've added out here along with a walkway about 4 or 5 years ago. You see some swallows flying around, and I figured I'd just simply take a quick tour around the outer edges of this reservoir. Now, this reservoir used to be maybe 3 times the size that it is now, and actually have a dam in it, and clear water, and it supplied water for Jefferson, Ohio area, and that was early in the last century. And then they ran lines out to Lake Erie from that area, and they no longer needed this. So this thing got downsized and the dam removed, and so this is what it's been turned into. We're coming up on that walkway that they added 4 or 5 years ago, which runs from the parking lot out to that spot where I'm sitting at, and just kind of flying over here and enjoying the beautiful contrast of the nice blue skies, puffy white clouds, the deep greens of the trees. It's really quite good video from the Mini 3, and everything is set to auto, no filters or anything like that, and no tweaking. So it's kind of a what you see is what you get look here, and plenty of things to look at if you're into nature, and there's hiking trails to walk around the perimeter of this reservoir if you're so inclined to do that kind of thing. But we just came out here to get some video, and we're going to fly back towards the observation deck where we're sitting, and then go launch into the Mastershot section of the DJI Fly app, and let it do its thing. Now, this is all done in software from the app. As we started up, the Mini 3 starts backing up and rising and taking shots and video and compiling it and turning it into this kind of a stunning little look, making you look like you're the center of the earth or something. Anyways, we drop back down here, and we're going to take a quick fly down this ramp that they built, and it's all wood, supported on either side, and it's got flotation underneath it to keep it floating. You see the parking lot there with my car, and wide angle view again, the nice blue skies, puffy white clouds, and we're gonna fly right back over the top of our heads, and then go out here, turn around, and head back in, turn it around, and get ready to land. So just a short video here to demonstrate a few things, and hope you enjoyed the scenery and the clouds and so on and so forth. Leave a comment if you're so inclined. Thanks for stopping by and watching.